Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? Ooh, excuse me. Hey, look, it has been a long, long day today. Um, and After doing some work on the computer case that we're planning to do for the live stream, I've decided to go ahead and do the live stream. So I just want to post this video now. This video is just not a preview video because I've had so many preview videos, but it's just to let you guys know that we're going to be doing a live stream tomorrow on this computer build, and we're also going to be doing a giveaway. Probably, yeah. So we're going to be doing a giveaway on. What I planned to do a giveaway on was for the ooh, excuse me. This thing feels really good. What I planned to do a giveaway on was for a Apple Home, one of these guys right here, Apple HomePod, and I still will do that. It'll probably be white. So we're gonna do the live stream. Not even tomorrow. It will be today, because it is 1:43 a.m. in the morning, and I've just been doing a lot of work, and I want to go ahead and finish this build because it's boxing weekend, and there's a boxing match coming on tomorrow, and I do want to be able to watch it on my I would say newly formatted computer. And basically we have a media computer that we're using now that the case is actually going to hold a new computer that I'm building for my daughter, and that is going to be the second live stream that we do. So basically the only thing I'm going to be doing is taking out this computer in my media center and putting it into another case, an older case that I had. Now I had some videos that I made today, two videos basically on this case. It was a power supply installation, and then a show you how I modded the front grille and the top panel. So I will still post those videos, but they'll be post the live stream. I was trying to do like a build up, but it's not necessary. And then I got confirmation today that the power button that I was going to have to resolder is working, so that's a good sign. So like I said, I'm getting kind of like antsy feelings about building, and I'm ready to finish it now, but I'm not going to do the live stream now. So so this morning, today, Sunday, December 5th, 2021, probably around 11 or 12 o'clock, 11 a.m. 12 p.m. I will be broadcasting the live stream, so I hope you guys will be able to catch it and watch it. So like I said, I got a lot of things already prepped. Got the other case open, the other case is clean. I cleaned the fans, installed the power supply, did the modifications to it. So only thing left to do is to put it together. It shouldn't take too much because we don't have to do, we're just removing and installing, and do a little bit of cable management, and put everything back together to make sure it works. So that's what we're going to be doing today around 11 a.m. Sorry for the short notice. I hope you do catch it, but it will be on the channel so you can see it later. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we're just going to go through the whole thing, and so you guys can see exactly kind of what we do. And this will be the first live stream that I've done, basically building a machine. So it's not anything from scratch, but existing parts already. This is a DDR3 machine that I use strictly for media only, and it's a good machine. But I forgot the specs and everything like that. I don't know exactly what they are, but I can tell you it's 16 gigabytes of memory. We got a solid state drive in there. There's no graphic card. It's going off the Intel processor, and that's pretty much it. But the case, like I said, the case is the Lanley PC7H case, which is a older case, manufactured in 2013. So it's still a good case, and I modded a few of these cases, and that will be in the video that I show when I did the video I do for the modification of the front grille and the top panel. So I just wanted to let you guys know that, put this video out, because like I said, I'm ready to go right now, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna get some sleep, get my head together. My head's already together right now because I'm so focused right now just to do it, but I figure I'll wait, put this video out so the subscribers can view it possibly. And then we can go to the live stream. Now, like I said, remember, I'm giving away Apple HomePad or HomePod, and you know, like excuse me. So all you have to do is be a subscriber and comment in the live stream. Try to see how I can do the donation. How I can do this well. Well, as far as donations, you know, those donations are accepted as well. We appreciate it, and that will be what is our PayPal thing? Our PayPal thing is info at DCCASEMODS. That's info at DCASEMODS. That is our PayPal thing. So, but I'll put that up there in the live stream. I've done a live stream before, but we'll see how this one goes. But I just want to go ahead and do it and get it done and get this build done, because like I said, boxing, you know, Sunday evening boxing, and I want to have this build done before that. So instead of just doing a video about it, I'll go ahead and do the live stream, and we'll do a giveaway. So pretty much it's going to be subscribers, and you have to be a subscriber, and then you have to make a comment, I think, in the live thing, or donate, either one, and that will solidify your chance to win an Apple HomePad. Yeah, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys for thank you guys in the community. I appreciate it. You guys again. I hate using that word, you guys, but thank everyone for watching the videos and subscribing. And we're gonna have a lot more videos in the future. I got a whole bunch of things that I haven't even edited yet. So, but I got a little time, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I just wanted to reach out and touch you guys. All right. So, damn it. Why I hate that word so much. I don't know why. I just wanted to reach out and touch y'all. Let y'all know we're working. So enjoy the live stream, and hope to see everyone there. All right, now.